Today we are looking at a CS Bell branded Montgomery Ward number WB6A hammer mill. These units were manufactured by CS Bell for Montgomery Ward. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt from nose to tail. This unit has all new bearings. It's on the heavy-duty caster frame, just like the CS Bell factory would have done. This unit has a brand new 2 horsepower, 3-phase electric motor on it. This unit is set up with a WEG VFD variable frequency drive. These units can be 3-phase or single-phase. You can pause the video here for pertinent data on the drive. This unit is currently set up in the single-phase configuration. These units will come with a screen of your choice. We're going to test run the unit for you now. You can see the unit hums right to life and runs as it should. The unit is set up for direct frequency change. This allows you to infinitely tailor the speed for certain hulling applications or just for grinding hammer mill applications as the unit was originally intended. This unit is Unit AC. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.